Hello everyone from the Institut La Mercè in Barcelona. We are Elisa, Jordi and Lola. Jordi is a teacher in the IT department and Lola and I work in the training and professional guidance department. Last May, we had the opportunity to participate in a job shadowing in Tampere, Finland. Specifically, we spent a week at the TEDU campus, seeing their way of teaching and learning and sharing experiences with teachers and students from different professional ranges. There, we were able to see their huge facilities, the workshops, the different study spaces, and the traditional classrooms. Some of the things that surprised us the most were the dimensions of the different spaces and the relaxed working atmosphere for both students and teachers. In addition to spending 6 or 8 hours on campus each day, we also had time to have fun. Tampere is a lively university city where hockey is very popular. We also visited Turku, and on the way back we visited Helsinki and Tallinn in Estonia. This experience was very enriching, and we came back with ideas to implement in our center. Please, can we give you some advice? Take part in the Erasmus program. It is an experience you will not forget.